Welcome to PLK Computers our YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, we are going to discuss about how to make this nested loop. Okay, so one by one I will teach or two file we are going to make. Okay, so at first, we know we have ordered OL, unordered UL, and definition list. Okay, suppose we have to two section or more than that can be. Okay, so for section M1 we have suppose 5 student, and for N1 we have 5 student. Okay, so total student, um, it can be more than this is sample only because a long program HTML file we cannot write here. So after 5 how to start 6. Okay, so my intention is to teach you. Okay, for that I have created a template. Okay, my dear student, then I will paste it here. Okay, and I will save it as. Okay, I am doing renaming. Okay, so this is our nested loop, sorry, nested HTML list. Okay, what is so one list within another list is called nested loop. Okay, so actually in this there is no nested. Okay, actually nested is here, like within primary we have RAM, further it is divided, so this is nested. Okay, but here how to start this one, so at first I will teach, then we will go to that one. Okay, so I will open with notepad. Okay, and then I will click it to web browser also to look output. We have to use web browser, my dear students. Okay, so I will work for here, so I will write it. Okay, so nested HTML list it is. Okay, so students, look at the question. Okay, so we have here uh, two section student are here. Okay, yes, so we have one called class 11 M1. Okay, so computer students, fine. Another we have class 11, it can be anything, my dear student. Okay, so N1, so two section student are here. So there are lots of students, but for the example point of view only it will. Okay, fine. So now we have to work. So this is 1 2 3 4, this is ordered list. Okay, so we'll write here OL, and we have here type equal to 1 2 3 4. You can look here. So okay, and its start also, it is started by 1, and we have 5 list. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 list. After 5 list it is closed one. Okay, my dear friends, I will write the name firstly. So number 1 is Alex, list close. Similarly another is Ram, list close. Next is Laxman. Okay, list close. Then after Laxman we have Sarbagya, again list close. Okay, then after Palisa, okay, list close, my dear friends. So we have completed one. Okay, I will show you the output, so I will save it, and when I will refresh, so we are getting here 1 2 5. Okay, fine. Similarly, next thing we have to write name. Okay, so just I will copy it, my dear students. Same thing we have to do down also, paste it. Okay, so I think you are able to view this one nicely. Okay, my dear students, sorry. So we have here N1 section, but remember its value is started by 6. Okay, so I will write here 6, and I will change the name. Okay, so Nuga. Next name we have Suasana. After that one Veni. Okay, so This is example only. Then after we have Ansika, and finally we have Heman. Okay, my dear students, so I will refresh it. Okay, so it is coming from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you will not write this one, what it will happen, my dear student? Okay, if I will reload it again, it will be started, but continuously we are suppose we are going to count how many computer students are here. Okay, at that time what we have to do, we have to count. So 5 is up 1. If suppose we have 40 student upper or 50, then we can start from 51. Okay students, then I will refresh it. Okay, listen, this start value, it is used in ordered list only. Okay, in ordered it won't make any difference. Suppose it is I will change the type to ABCD. Okay, now remember student, we have type is small ABCD, so I will write here A, also start by A. Fine, down one also it is type is ABCD. Okay, but we can't write here F. Okay, so we have to write the same in number only. Okay, so start, sorry, start, it will be here also 1. Okay, so it is start 1 2 3 4 5, then F is the position in 6 if we count ABCD. Okay, so I will save it. Okay, so it will come like this. Okay students, but if you will write F, it won't give the correct result. Okay, so save. Again it is just started by ABCD, so remember you have to count and you have to give. Suppose okay, so after EF we need, so F position, if you count from ABCD, it is 6. Okay, in the same way, if you are working for the Roman number, suppose I, it is started by 1, here also started by 1. Okay, I will save it and I will show you the output, my dear students. Look, after 5 BI6 BII. Okay, in this way it is coming. So remember, in order list, if you want to continue the numbering from previous list, okay, then we can use start. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Fine. Okay, now we'll come to the nested. Okay, so I will remove this one. Okay, okay, my dear students, so come to the question. Okay, my dear, look at here. So we have here memory. Okay, so we'll write memory. Memory we can write in heading tag also. Suppose heading level 2 we are using, so h2 heading is pair tag, that's why we have to use starting and closing. Okay, similarly at first I will write the first list. Okay, so we have here first list, so OL we have type equal to 1. Okay, start start equal to 1, my dear students. Okay, then we have list here for primary and secondary. Okay, OL, sorry, it should be slash here, OL. Fine, we have here primary memory and second one is secondary memory. Fine. Okay, if we do this one, okay, remember student, side by side I will show you output also. So we are getting here, look, we are getting the outer one. So at first we have to make the list of outer one. Okay, now I will work for primary memory. So primary memory further classified into RAM ROM. Okay, so at first outer, then only we will come to the inside. Okay, so within primary memory we have two types. Okay, so what to do? Okay, within primary memory we have another list. Okay, nested means one list within another list. So OL, what is we have type is A start equal to 1. Okay, start is optional, my dear students. If you have to start the list normally. Okay, so number one type is RAM, list close. Okay, then again list, another type is ROM, list close, then ordered list close. Okay, so remember students, currently we are converting subdivided this primary memory into further RAM ROM. Okay, that's why now we have to work for RAM, because RAM is classified into SRAM. Okay, and its type is Roman small I. Okay, so now OL type equal to Roman I. Okay, if you have to start the number normally, then no need to use start. Okay, but if you will write, it is good practice. Okay, so I will write here. So start by 1. Okay, remember in 1 to 3 we have to write. Okay, don't write I like that. Okay, so OL. Okay, then OL will be closed. Okay, so open and close, if you'll do that, is good practice, my dear students. Okay, now look, we have two types here. List, that is SRAM, list close. Again list, we have DRAM and list close. I will save it. Okay, so now you can look students. At first we made primary secondary, then in primary we divided RAM ROM, and RAM further divided into SRAM DRAM. Now we have to work for ROM. Okay, code will be same, that's why I will copy, my dear students, copy, then I will paste in this ROM. Okay, type is also, but we have one more here, three types of uh, ROM are there. Okay, so I will write the name here. So number one is PROM, then electrically uh, EPROM, then finally EPROM. Okay, I will save it, my dear students. Okay, so for that, now we will do the same thing to the secondary memory also. So we have here at first three types: magnetic tape, magnetic discs, and optical discs. Okay, so after secondary memory, we are going to make OL type equal to, it is in form ABCD. Start, we have to start normally, so 1. Okay, then OL close. So when you open tag, if it is paired, then please close it. Then if you will work, then it will be easy for you, my dear students. Okay, now at first it is divided into three types. Okay, so Li1, Li2, and Li3. Okay, so first type is magnetic tape, list close. Second one is magnetic disc, list close. Third one is optical disc, list close. Okay, remember students, so at first we have to divide outer one. Okay, look, secondary three types we are getting. Okay, further we have to work. So magnetic tape, there is no any types. For magnetic disc there is two types. Okay, now within magnetic tape, okay, within magnetic tape we have to work, my dear students. Okay, so we have to make one table. So it is same types, so two types. So I will type, copy paste, you can type also same code we have to use, my dear students. So I will paste it here. Okay, remember our type is I, start by 1. Suppose if you will not write, if normally started, then it will be optional. Okay, it will not make any difference. We have two types here, hard disk and hard disk, and another is flash memory, flash flash memory. Similarly, optical disc is further divided into three types. I will paste it here. Okay. One more list we need, my dear student. Okay. So list open. Third one is Blu-ray disc. List close. Okay. Similarly, we'll change here also. So we have here DVD read, then read write. Similarly, CD r slash rw. I will save it, so we are getting the desired output. Okay, students, look, we are getting the output here. So at first I have divided this primary secondary, then further RAM ROM, then after that RAM is classified, then ROM, similarly magnetic tape, magnetic disc. So at first outer uh, list you have to make, then we have to work inside. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any confusion, you can ask me or you can write in comment. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe PLK Computer Solve for such more interesting videos. Thank you.